New York City cop on the trail of a killer. From the back alleys of Manhattan
Well, our victims are certainly Yakuza.
to the streets of Japan.
Because of your negligence, a man we wanted for a long time has been lost.
Now, come on, we'll take some of the heat for this, but we're not taking the rap.
Rap?
You see, there's a war going on here between Sato and an old-time boss named Sugai. And they don't take prisoners.
So where's your boss?
What? This isn't New York. We have rules here.
I've seen Sato's work, okay? He ain't following your program.
You are foreigners, nothing more than interested observers.
No one's gonna help a Gaijin.
Gaijin?
You're a barbarian, a foreigner. Me and you. More you.
Try to work like a Japanese.
Now, this is good. This ain't money. You got a counterfeiting war going on, guys.
You are civilians here. It is illegal for you to carry a gun.
Something tells me we should cut our losses and let the locals handle it around here.
I can't go back without him, Charlie.
Come on! He's getting away! I thought we were working together! The guy's getting away!
You have no part in this.
I am the solution to your problems. Well, it's not over yet.
Here I am, Nick!
We can get him, boss. You and me.
Michael Douglas, Black Rain.